बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम असिस्टेंट लेक्चर नंबर 4 के अंदर साउथ अमेरिका को देखने जा रहे हैं। इसके अंदर 23 सवाल को आज हम देखेंगे। आज का पहला सवाल है, साउथ अमेरिका इज द फोर्थ लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। नेक्स्ट है, द एरिया ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका इज 17461,112 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। Next, North America population is equivalent to 5.53% of the total world population. Next, according to the UN, there are 12 countries are in South America. Next, there are two landlocked countries in South America, Bolivia and Paraguay. Next, the largest country of South America by population is Brazil. Next, the smallest country of South America by area is Ghana. Next, the largest city of South America by population is Pula, Brazil. Next, the biggest land of South America is La Grande, Tierra del Fuego. Next, the longest river of South America is Amazon River. Next, the highest mountain in South America is Aconcagua, Argentina. Next, the biggest lake in South America is by surface R and volume is Lake Titicaca. Next, the highest waterfall of South America is Angel Fall, ये वेनेजुएला के अंदर. Next, driest place in South America is Atacama Desert. Next, the world largest river as per water volume and the second longest 644 kilometer. The Amazon is in South America. Next, the continent houses the world highest waterfall, the Angel Falls. Next, the world largest snake and the second longest, the green anaconda, also reside in South America. Next, the highest volcanoes of the world, Mt. Cotoplex and the Mt. Camo are found in continent. Next, Brazil, the country which is largest coffee producer in the world, is in South America. Next, the major language spoken on this continent are Portuguese and Spanish. Next, the largest salt lake in the world, Salar Uyuni, is in South America. Next, the world highest lake, 38 double meter, and the South America's largest lake, Titicaca. Next, after the Himalayas, the Andes from the second highest mountain range in the world. These young mountains are located in South America. Mt. Aconcagua, 70 meter, is the highest peak in the Andes. इंशाल्लाह कल यूरोप एज अ कॉन्टिनेंट देखेंगे। आज के लिए इतना, बाकी नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह। अस्सलाम।